Hi, friends. I'm Miss Sparkle, and today, Baby JJ and Baby Ocean are going to explore and learn in the most magical way. Are you ready? Let's go. Mmm, that was some delicious tea. Today, we are having an extra special tea party. Look, we have alphabet cookies.
Let's look for alphabet cookies. Sure, let's go. Can you help us find some? You can? Do you see any alphabet cookies?
I think I do. What letter is this?
A is for apple, crispy and red. B is for banana, soft like bread. C has candy, sprinkles bright. D is a donut, oh what a sight! E is for eggnog, creamy and light. F is for fudge, a gooey delight. G is for grape, purple and round. H is for honey, golden and sound. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jam, a berry treat. K is for kiwi, green and cool. L is for lemon, zesty rule. M is for marshmallow, fluffy and fun. N is for nutmeg, spice on a bun. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for peanut, crunchy bite. Q is for quince, a fruit so rare. R is for raisin, hiding with care. S is for strawberry, red and sweet. T is for toffee, a sticky treat. U is for ugly, citrus and strange. V is for vanilla, smooth in range. W is for watermelon, pink and green. X is for Sigua, melon machine. Y is for yogurt, creamy and new. Z is for zucchini, whoever knew. We found the cookies, A to Z. Let's dance and sing so joyfully.
Do you like painting? You do? Great. Let's paint some shapes. Let's see what shape should we paint first. I know. Let us paint a square. First, we draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now, let's fill in the space. Good job, kids. You are good at painting. We did it. We painted a square. You are amazing kids.
Join us as we hunt for shapes together. Let's start with the circle. It's round, has no corners, and you'll see it in pizza, wheels, and even the face of a clock. Next, the triangle. It has 3 straight sides like a slice of cake or a road sign. Now, meet the rectangle. 4 sides and the ones opposite are the same length, just like your tablet or a book. How about the pentagon? 5 sides, or the shape of a home plate in baseball. The star shape has 5 points, like a starfish, just like the ones you get for doing great work. And finally, the diamond. It looks like a kite and sparkles in jewelry. Shapes are everywhere. Can you spot them around you? Keep exploring, shape detectives.
JJ and Ocean love playing with their toys. What about you? What's your favorite toy? Wow, those are some really nice toys. But guess what? We can also play outside. Playing outside helps us grow strong, run fast, and explore the world. What kind of outdoor games do you like to play?
Hey everyone! Are you ready for some fun in the sun? I know I am. Today I'm taking you on the best outdoor adventure ever, so grab your trainers, pop on your hat, and let's get moving. First up, have you ever tried a game of hopscotch on the driveway? It's a classic. I love seeing who can jump the furthest without wobbling. And if you've got your friends around, why not have a skipping rope contest? Who can do the most jumps without stopping? Go on, give it a try. It's trickier than it looks. Now I love climbing trees, but remember, always ask an adult if it's safe first. Once you're up there, the view is brilliant. You could pretend you're a brave explorer or a lookout searching for treasure. Feeling a bit warm? Time for a water balloon race. Get your mates, fill up some balloons, and see if you can run to the finish without popping them. It's splishy, splashy fun, and perfect for a hot day. Or maybe you're more into football? There's nothing better than a quick kickabout in the park. Dribble, shoot, score. Everyone cheers, and you're the star of the match. Don't forget you can make up your own games too, like an obstacle course or a scavenger hunt. All you need is a bit of imagination and some friends to play with. So what are you waiting for? Get outside, have a laugh, and make today an adventure you'll never forget. Oh, and remember your sunscreen. See you out there.
After all that running and jumping, it's time for a tasty snack. Let's see what healthy treats we have today.
Are you ready for a fruity, colorful adventure from A to Z? Come on, sing along with me. A. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for banana, yellow in your bread. C is for cherry, tiny and bright. D is for dragon fruit, pink and white. E is for elderberry, purple like the night. F is for fig, brown and light. G is for grape, green or blue. H is for honeydew, green too. I is for Indian fig, orange and bold. J is for jackfruit, yellow and gold. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and brown. L is for lemon, yellow all around. M is for mango, orange and sweet. N is for nectarine, a peachy treat. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for plum, purple delight. Q is for quince, yellow and rare. R is for raspberry, red like a flare. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. T is for tangerine, orange instead. U is for ugly fruit, green and strange. V is for voavanga, with orange range. W is for watermelon, pink and green. X is for zigua, a watermelon queen. Y is for yellow passion fruit, yellow and fun. Z is for zucchini. Wait, that's a fruit, everyone. Give a cheer, you've done so well. A to Z, can you tell? Fruits and colors, bright and new. Sing again, it's fun to do.
When you're feeling really happy, say mama, mama. When you're feeling really happy, say mama, mama. When you're feeling really happy and you wanna let it show. When you're feeling really happy, say mama, mama. When you're feeling really happy, touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes. When you're feeling really happy, touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes. When you're feeling really happy and you wanna let it show. When you're feeling really happy, touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes, mama. When you're feeling really happy, spin around, spin around. When you're feeling really happy, spin around, spin around. When you're feeling really happy and you wanna let it show. When you're feeling really happy, spin around, spin around. When you're feeling really happy, clap your hands, clap, clap. When you're feeling really happy, clap your hands, clap, clap. When you're feeling really happy and you wanna let it show. When you're feeling really happy, clap your hands, clap, clap. When you're feeling really happy, jump up high, jump up high, jump up high. When you're feeling really happy, jump up high, jump up high, jump up high. When you're feeling really happy and you wanna let it show. When you're feeling really happy, jump up high, jump up high, jump up high, mama. When you're feeling really happy, give a hug, wrap your arms around and hug. When you're feeling really happy, give a hug, wrap your arms around and hug. When you're feeling really happy and you wanna let it show. Touch your toes. When you're feeling really happy, give a hug, hug tight. When you're feeling really happy, do the most. Say mama, touch your toes, spin around, clap, jump, stomp, hug. When you're feeling really happy and you wanna let it show. When you're feeling really happy, do them all. When you're feeling really happy, do them all. Yeah! Hey. Hey.
Hi, smart toddlers. My name is Tori. Can you count to 10? You can? Great! Count to 10 with me.
One little starfish shining in the blue, waving all its arms like it's saying hello to you. Two little turtles swimming side by side, they flip their little fins and take us on a ride. Count with me under the sea, 1 to 10 so joyfully. The ocean's alive, come join the fun. The counting adventure has just begun. 3 jellyfish floating, glowing in the dark. Their tentacles are twinkling like a water park. 4 little seahorses swaying in a row, they dance to the rhythm of the ocean's flow. Count with me under the sea, 1 to 10 so joyfully. The ocean's alive, come join the fun. The counting adventure has just begun. 5 shiny shells are scattered on the sand, picked up by a crab with a busy little hand. 6 dolphins leap high with a splash and a spin, they dive back down and come up again. 7 tiny bubbles rising to the top, 8 colorful fish swim by and never stop. 9 clams are yawning wide as they rest, 10 sea stars sparkle, they're the ocean's best.
That was a great under-the-sea adventure. What was your favorite part? It was my favorite too.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next I want you to sing with me.
Now let's sing the color song.
Don't you red like apples or fire trucks too? Truly yellow like the sun that shines on you. Blue like the ocean sky so wide. Let's splash the colors far and wide. Colors, colors everywhere, in your clothes and in your hair, on balloons and butterflies, colors dancing in the sky. Empty orange like the orange that you eat, or like pumpkins in the fall. Green like leaves that grow so tall. Purple like grapes that taste so sweet. Let's march to the color beat. Colors, colors everywhere, in your crayons, in your chair. Paint a rainbow, have some fun with colors shining like the sun. Can you find something blue near you? Now point to something yellow too. Jump up if you see something red. Spin around and touch your head. Colors, colors here to wear, in your clothes and in your hair, on balloons and butterflies, colors dancing in the sky. Colors, colors here to stay. Let's sing the song every day. From red to purple, green and blue, colors make the world brand new. Orange like the orange that you eat, or like pumpkins in the fall. But green like leaves that grow so tall. Purple like grapes that taste so sweet. Let's march to the color beat. Colors, colors everywhere, in your crayons, in your chair. Paint a rainbow, have some fun with colors shining like the sun.
Thank you for spending time with us. I hope you learned a lot today, as Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. See you tomorrow.
It's time to go. We've had some fun. We learned a lot and now we're done. With hugs and smiles, we say goodbye. We'll see you soon, so don't you cry. Goodbye, goodbye, wave hands and cheer. We'll be back, so never fear. Blow a kiss and spin around. We'll see you next time, safe and sound.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.